Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a drawing demonstration. Today I'm going to be doing several nudes of Camilo. You've already seen Camilo if you've been watching my videos for a while, as in this video and this one. Today I'm doing 3 standing poses, and these are good for beginners because they're easier than sitting poses or reclining ones or poses where the model is all twisted in one direction or another or from weird angles. But there will still be challenges, as you'll see. Okay, let's draw. On this first one, the trickiest part is the head because you're seeing it from a low angle and he's leaning the head away from us at an angle. So it's a difficult angle and I kind of cheated. I did it the easy way. But I pulled it off, so, it's not cheating if the drawing works, just saying. Although I am going to do a future video which will focus exclusively on drawing the head from tricky angles. In this drawing, I did what I always do when I'm drawing the figure and what I recommend that you always do, which is to block in the big shapes roughly first so that you know everything is going to be in about the right place. And then you can refine them. I didn't put the feet in because I could see there was plenty of space for them and the rest of the drawing was already working pretty well, so I knew that the feet would be no problem. We've got another tricky head angle here. Not as tricky as the one before, but it's very foreshortened. I did pretty well with it though. I drew it pretty accurately. I did kind of screw up the hairline. Also notice on Camilo's left arm, on our right, I made it too big. It should be shorter and smaller. So learn from my mistakes. On this last sketch, again, I blocked everything in first except the bottom part because I knew there was enough space for the thighs and legs and it was going to be pretty simple to put in. So I didn't put that in as part of the first rough drawing. Instead, I focused on the face because it worked right away and I really liked it. So I pretty much finished the head and then worked my way down, finishing as I went. And I could do that with confidence because I had blocked the big shapes in first. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me draw and maybe got some tips. And by the way, if you like my rough sketches and you'd like to own one, you can do that, and they're pretty reasonably priced. You can see them on my website in either the G-rated sketches gallery, or you can sign up and create a free account if you don't have one already on my website and go to the Nudes gallery. Either way, you're going to find a lot of beautiful sketches for really good prices, so you can own original art without spending too much money. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. That inspires me to make more videos. And if you got a little inspired watching me draw today, great! Sharpen your pencils and go draw!